Hi, Macauley from Spit, demoing the Pulsa 27E down at the Electrician in West Point, Exeter. Give you a quick run through how it works. Loading the gun, pins going down, snaps into position, grab your clip. This is a cable tie base. Whoop. Going to push the gun down and fire. So that's a black cable tie base. We've got metal for your 18th edition. This tab just folds off. Prismium fire clip. Steel P clips for your conduit. Got a bit of strut. A threaded rod clip for doing all your containment and baskets. That just folds over. You take your threaded rod in there. And last off, single cable bow. Run your cable through here, slide them in, nice and simple.
So that's a fantastic piece of equipment you got there.
What?
It's an absolutely fantastic piece of equipment you got there. Can I just have a quick look at how it's actually going all in?
Yeah, of course.
So,
what I'll do is I'll get that out of your way.
So I mean, this is a concrete block and everything, and that's all gone in there really, really solid, isn't it? Yeah, I'm picking that block up. That's how well all those staples have gone in. What's the weight of the gun like?
So the weight of the gun fully loaded is 3.4 kilograms.
That's very manageable, isn't it? Very well balanced as well. That's really cool. Well, thank you very much for your time.
No problem at all. Thank you very much.